Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, boo? It's Wig Wednesday, hair, whatever, it's Wednesday. And we do hair on Wednesdays. So guess what? We did our hair. I am in love with the way that this came out. I mean, I am like gushing over myself. Are you gushing over me too? I know you are. Okay. So if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle with this full lace wig, I did some Bantu knots on it, and you want to see how I did this, make sure that you continue to watch. Before we get into the tutorial, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you are notified. Thumbs up this video, make sure that you comment down below and share this video with your friends. Join this flower gang. I just feel like I just love this. I just love this. Who gonna check me, boo? Hey flowers. Okay, let's get started. I've already laid down my wig because I just already laid it down. You guys have seen me lay down my wig several times. I use my Eternity Rose glue, and then I use my wig cap, my brown wig caps and all that. I ordered 20 pieces from Amazon, y'all. So we lit. Anyway, so what I'm gonna start by doing is parting out the wig or the hair, whatever, and I just want to do a straight line across. I want these knots, as you can saw in the beginning, I want them to be very big. I want them to give off like a very goddess like aesthetic. So that is what I'm trying to do right now. I'm just making sure the part is straight. I wanted to go ahead and put the wig on first because for me, when I'm trying to do hair on the wig head and I know I'm trying to pull it up in the front, I tend to gather too much of it and pull it too tight. So I thought like, okay, maybe if I put the wig on first, then I wouldn't have that issue, even though I did pull too tight on some parts and almost ripped out my edges. We fixed it. You'll see that throughout the video. So I didn't show you guys, but I am using my Eco Styler flaxseed and castor oil gel, and I'm just using that to smooth out the pieces of the hair so that no flyaways, and it just gives a nice sleek look. So that is the product that I'm using, and that's the only product that I'm using in this style. I actually didn't even spray it down with the freeze spray, which is something that I'm surprised I didn't do. And then after I get it to the way that I want it, in the position that I want, that's Bae's arm, I'm going to just rubber band that down, kind of like doing the rubber band braided method. So I'm just going to rubber band that down and then hold that part in place. So the front I did in triangle. I tried to do as much triangle parts as I could, but in big spaces. So yeah, that's pretty much all that it is with the parting. I'm just showing you guys how everything looks. It actually is a little bit difficult to part, you guys, like at least on camera for me, because I'm not in front of for some reason, like there's certain mirrors or certain places in the house where I feel like I just do hair better, and the bathroom just happens to be one of those places, so it just takes me a little bit longer to like part on camera or do things like this on camera. As you see, I'm trying to make it so that you guys can see what I'm doing and me see what I'm doing. So yeah, that's just what's happening right now, kids. That's what's happening right now, toots. Okay, flowers. Okay, so I'm like drenching these pieces in my hair, and excuse my talking, I was on the phone with my cousin. He was having a crisis. There's just a lot going on, and I'm trying to make sure that my edges are still out. Now I did lay down the wig and it's a little bit white from the glue, but all you gotta do is put some product on it so you can see by the time the video is done or the hair is done, like you don't see it looking like gray like that anymore. So just ignore that. Yeah, and just that's it. I'm not gonna talk too much. Just this is pretty repetitive, so just watch what I'm doing. Okay, so one quick tip, when you're pulling that, you want to pull it and look at all sides to make sure that you're not bringing it up. Remember I told you I was pulling too hard and the wig started to come up in the front? Yeah, that's what I meant. That is exactly what I meant. There I go again, trying to pull out those hairs that I want to add as quote unquote baby hairs in the front. Yeah, that side is really giving me trouble. I had to go and lay that thing down like another time, but now we're on the last part of the first half of the head, or the first 3 part of the head. My boyfriend keeps coming in the room. That's why you see the door keep opening. I'll just be talking away. I might be talking to my boyfriend at this point. Alright, so these are how the front parts look. So I'm going to go ahead and start trying to do the back. And this is when it really got hard, you guys, with trying to do it by feeling on camera without like that extra mirror behind me in the bathroom. So I was kind of struggling, but look, the part didn't come out that bad, but you just couldn't see it because it was just all raggedy. So with my hair keep coming up in the front because I kept yanking at the wig, it doesn't look like it, but I do my hair very rough. So I went ahead and I put my headscarf off to kind of like combat it and hold the glue down. But yeah, so this is the first part that I got in the back. And as you can see, there's a part of it that's messed up, but I do go ahead and catch it because you ever be editing your videos if you're a YouTuber and you see something, you be like, you better have fixed that, Reese. You better have fixed that, whoever. So no, but I fixed it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Be happy. Period. See, I caught it. I was like, ooh, what's that? So I'm trying to part it out now, make sure it's straight. Remember, I can't really see. So I'm trying to like look and look for you to look and me to look, everybody look. That's looking a little better, and I left it like that. Okay. I could have did a little better on that part, but you know, I couldn't see. So I'm doing the other side, the same part, because I wanted the 4 in the middle. I mean, I wanted it to be triangle parts, but that middle section is just bigger in part size. So I could have done a diagonal part through that square that was in the center to make it 2 triangles, but I didn't do it. I just parted it down the middle. You'll see that afterwards. But yeah, I just wanted to make sure those 2 sides were at least even. Alright, and then those are the 2 sections in the middle. And this is the part I'm saying, like, I should have probably did a diagonal, but honestly, it still came out cute. Whatever. So I am just finishing up this here on camera. La 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 la. I'm loving the way this is looking, you guys. Honestly, I'm just gonna put everything all up out of my way so that I can do what I got to do. Okay, you guys, so it's really hard for me to do this on camera because I'm trying to like make sure the parts are pretty good in the back. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go do this last row of parting and probably put these last few and show you how I do the Bantu knots here up in the front. So we will be right back. Okay, hunty bunty, period. Nah, I'm feeling this. I don't know if you could tell, my demeanor has changed. I'm loving it. So I'm using the X-Pressions here from the Janet collection. And what I am doing is I am going in, this is going to be slow so I can show you what I'm doing. I am braiding about 2 or 3 times down this braid with the hair as the 3rd piece. And then once I get to a place that I feel like it's secure, I'm going to go ahead and grab everything together, hold that center of the braid, which is the center of the ponytail, and wrap the hair around over and over. And you want to keep grabbing it around and holding that so it stays in place. And this way it looks like it's your hair, the hair that's from the wig is being twisted around. So that's the look I wanted it to give. I didn't want to give a twisted or braided look. So I want them to look like little Madonna booby mountain things. I don't remember like no, what song is that? When she used to have those like comb boobs with the long ponytail and the red lips. Is that Madonna? Yeah, that's Madonna, sis. Okay. So now I'm doing the same thing over and over. You see I braid it a little bit down and then I start to twist it over. And honestly, that's all that this style takes. The tedious part of it is now over. The hardest part was getting the parts right, especially on a wig on your head. This is why I wanted to do it on the wig, but then I was like, girl, you got to put the wig on your head first. Ciao. Okay, so and then once I'm done with the twisting, I actually use a rubber band just to secure it because I didn't want to have any flyaways. I didn't want to have flyaway. I didn't want to have, something is wrong with me. So you're just going to twist it around. Even if there's a piece that's like a little long, you just twist it around and then throw that rubber band on top, sis. It's super simple. We on the last one, honey. And sis, this one was fighting with me because this is the same. Look. And I'm sitting there like, shit. because it's like really, like this side of the wig was really trying me. Like now it's laid, but come on now. She was just trying me the whole time. That one half of Boomquisha was trying me. Period. So that didn't come out right. I ended up having to do that one over off camera. So what the hell? Boom. And we are back, honey. Yes. I added 2 butterfly clips just to see if I was going to like it. And I was like, yes, I like it. I had one in the bag, but I was like, I can't see it. So I don't know if I'm going to like it, but I liked it. So there we go. So now here we are. So now we're going to put the butterfly clips on, just to add some razzle dazzle, because this weekend I'm going out to the beach and this is how my hair's going to be at the beach. Period. I'm going to be giving you beach goodness. Okay. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Period. Pooh. I did that. What's up? All right. Love you guys. Bye.